Number 1, 1973 Dodge Charger SE. Priced at $13,500. Located in Killeen, Texas. Powered by 400 V8 automatic transmission. Runs /drives but restoration project. Bonded title required. Third generation Charger with updated styling. Needs cosmetic/bodywork. Trailer needed for transport. $13,500 OBO. Strong Mopar project opportunity. Number 2, 1973 Ford Mustang Coupe. Priced at $7,995 and located in Tecumseh, Ontario. This classic Mustang is a perfect entry-level collector car with plenty of character and a legendary Ford muscle car pedigree. It's not a show car, but it is mechanically solid and ready to enjoy for anyone looking to experience classic American performance. Under the hood, this Mustang is powered by a 1971 Mach 1 drivetrain featuring a 351 cubic inch Cleveland V8, paired with the original functional ram air system. It's equipped with a Holley 850 Street Dominator carburetor, delivering plenty of muscle and the authentic growl every Mustang enthusiast loves. Power is sent to a 9 inches rear axle, making it a spirited driver on the open road. The interior has been partially refreshed for comfort and style, new seat cushions and carpet, while the door panels remain original and in perfect condition. A gauge pack keeps you informed of vital engine functions, and power steering and power brakes make daily driving smooth and manageable. All glass is intact, and all lights are functional. Cosmetic notes. The paint and clear coat are peeling, and a small patch is needed on the driver's torque box. Floors are solid. Body shows typical dents/dings. Radio is missing. Dual exhaust works perfectly. This 1973 Mustang is not perfect, but that's part of its charm. At $7,995, it's a solid entry-level American muscle car, mechanically strong, vintage in style, and affordable. Serious buyers only. Seller won't respond to "Is it still available?" Inquiries. Number 3, 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. Priced at $15,000 and located in Lockport, New York. This classic American sports car is a true icon of late 70s and early 80s automotive design. Sleek styling, removable roof panels, and unmistakable Corvette presence. Under the hood, a 350 cubic inch V8 with 4-barrel carburetor. Smooth, reliable performance and a classic roar, paired with automatic transmission, making it easy and enjoyable to drive. With 97,000 miles, well cared for and reliable. The exterior, classic Corvette fiberglass body, removable roof panels for convertible-like experience. Underbody in great condition. The interior, upgraded with custom auto sound speaker system. Vintage look with modern convenience. Mechanically solid and dependable. At $15,000, this 1980 Corvette offers style, performance, and heritage, ready for collectors or weekend cruisers. Serious inquiries only. Number 4, 1979 Lincoln Continental Town Coupe. Priced at $6,800 OBO. Located in Colonial Heights, Virginia. A true American luxury car. Long, stately body, smooth ride, iconic styling. History. Third owner. Great uncle was second owner and cherished it. Has 41,053 original miles. In 2022, refresh. New vacuum lines, carburetor cleaning, fuel pump, fluids, full tune-up. AC cold, heat hot, battery tender installed. Interior, rated 8 out of 10. Some dealer plastic still intact. Exterior, rated 6 out of 10. Mid-1990s enamel paint job, panels and trim intact. Issues. Radio no sound. Some window/seat switches weak. Vinyl roof needs replacement. Drives perfectly despite small flaws. At $6,800 OBO, a well-kept Lincoln with history, luxury, and comfort. Serious inquiries only. Number 5, 1977 Cadillac. DeVille Sedan 4D. Priced at $9,950. Located in Hopewell, Virginia. Classic Cadillac luxury. Elegance, comfort, craftsmanship. 46,000 original miles. Powered by 7.0 LV8 automatic transmission. Recently serviced, runs excellent. Interior, original, functional power windows, power seats. Cruise control, cold AC. Spacious and luxurious. Exterior, clean chrome trim. Strong road presence. Minor imperfections consistent with age. At $9,950, a rare low-mileage Cadillac. Luxury, reliability, and classic style. Number 6, 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Sport Coupe. Priced at $13,500. Located in Shorts, Texas. Equipped with crate 383-stroker engine. Holley carburetor. Street Warrior intake. Headers. Billet pulley system. Runs strong. Transmission. Rebuilt 3-speed turbo 350. Exhaust. 3-inch system with aggressive tone. Paint. 2-tone indigo light blue. 2013 Mercedes, and abalone white pearl, 2015 Cadillac. Wheels, 15 inches SSN 90 with new tires. Brakes refreshed, new master cylinder. Well-built balance of performance and originality. Number 7, 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Priced at $15,000. Located in Greenwood Lake, New York. First-generation Monte Carlo, powered by 350 small block, turbo 350 auto transmission, upgrades, new U-joint, UMI tubular control arms, new ball joints, solid body/frame, rust-free, paint, 10-footer, driver quality, wheels, 18 inches 100 spoke, Hankook tires, cellar clear, $15,000 firm, no low balls. Solid driver quality Monte Carlo. Classic American history. Number 8, 1969 Pontiac Lemons Tempest GTO Tribute. Priced at $14,500. Located in Shelby, North Carolina. Features GTO hood, spoiler, and gauges. Engine. Pontiac 350 V8. Turbo 350 transmission. Runs/drives but has transmission leak. Body/floor solid. Frame sturdy. New carpet installed. Aluminum wheels with new tires. Positive traction rear end. Extras included power disc brake kit, additional parts. Seller open to reasonable offers/trades. No boat/bikes. Number 9, 1967 Pontiac GTO Coupe 2D clone. Priced at $13,500. Located in Ashland, Ohio. Powered by 454 V8 with 400 auto transmission. History. Older build. 12-bolt rear originally. Back to regular setup with ladder bars. Mileage. 12,645. Runs strong, classic design. Affordable entry into muscle cars. $13,500. Clean paperwork. Number 10, 1980 Pontiac Trans Am WS6. Price at $7,500. Located in Washingtonville, New York. Strong 400 engine with mild cam, Edelbrock intake, headers, TH400 transmission, 3.90 rear end, suspension, Hotchkiss springs frame connectors, solid body, minor rust, Front floors replaced. Not perfect cosmetically, but runs/drives well. Seller asking $7,500 OBO. No trades. Number 11, 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe 2D. Priced at $9,800. Located in Hidalgo, Texas. Powered by 5.0L, 305 with headers, Flowmaster exhaust. Rebuilt auto transmission. Upgrades. New starter, alternator, battery, radiator service, new brakes, hoses, distributor, shocks. Cooper Cobra tires on 15 by 8.5 wheels. Mileage 120,000 plus, but well maintained. Clean title. $9,800 OBO. Number 12, 1974 Chevrolet Corvette L82. Priced at $9,500. Located in Houston, Texas. L82 with 5-speed T5 manual. Mileage 58,980. Upgrades. Long tube headers for barrel carb, Corvette double hump heads, mild cam. New radiator, gas tank, distributor, clutch, brakes, tires. Clean title, turnkey ready. Excellent value for mid C3 Corvette. Number 13, 1979 Cadillac Phantom. Priced at $4,000. This limited edition Cadillac is a rare find. Only 1,800 were ever produced. It's powered by a strong 425 big block V8 with 97,000 original miles. The car runs great and starts right up the first time, every time. It drives perfectly, making it both reliable and enjoyable on the road. This Cadillac comes with excellent history. I am the second owner, having purchased it from an elderly couple who bought it new in 1979 for $11,000. I still have the original receipt and paperwork, adding authenticity and value to this classic. The motor is brand new and the car is very clean overall, ready to be driven or preserved as a collector's piece. Asking $4,000, but I may consider trades for the right offer. For any questions, inbox me and I'll send you my number.